We are pleased to show you 2012 Fusion. You can have both impressive power and great economy in a Fusion, and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 120,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: exterior entry lights, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, strut, fog lights, cruise control, trip computer, child safety locks, multifunction display, power door locks. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.